What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I got a commission sign that I did for a tattoo artist named Mandy. Let me introduce you to her. This is Mandy. Well, this is Mandy's Instagram page. She's a talented tattoo artist that lives here in Florida, and she commissioned me to paint her this sign that says her Instagram name on it. It's basically a culmination of things I've done in the past, but that's okay because that stuff's rad and I'm excited to do it. Let's get in the project. Okay, so I'm barely a minute into the video and I've already screwed up. Check it out. I painted this entire little cloud of spray paint red, and it's got some drips in it, and there's going to be an eyeball kind of floating in it, and I didn't want there to be any kind of insinuation of blood. It's not supposed to be a gory picture. It's just kind of like a PG rated gross factor. So I don't like the red. I'm going to turn it teal. I'm not going to show you the entire process because I use the same steps. So let's just get on with the project. Alright, so it seems as though I may have painted myself into a corner. Sorry. But when I originally drew this thing out, I was hoping that I could get away with this white sliver and maybe just painting it black or having the spray paint consume that space. But it doesn't look like it's going to work out that way. What I got to do, I'm going to drill a hole in it, assemble the scroll saw around it, cut it out. It's kind of a sketchy thing because I'm more than halfway done with the painting process, so I do run the risk of damaging it. See, that didn't look so bad. Yeah, and you were worried. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Leave me a thumbs up. I've also linked Mandy's Instagram page in the description. Go give her a follow. She's truly a talented artist. While you're on Instagram, give me a follow. I mean, if you don't follow me on Instagram by now, are we really even friends? Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hey, thanks for making it to the very end of the video, and for that you get rewarded. Check it out, Mandy asked me to paint a red drop shadow on the text after I'd already gotten the video completely done and edited. And you know what, she was right. It came out looking great. It looks better than it did. But I just didn't want to go back and re-edit the video. So here are some final shots of what the actual piece looks like. I also poured resin over the eyeball, and for whatever reason I just completely forgot to throw it into the video. So here's that clip right now. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, and I'll try better next time.